Whether it's your home, car, or business, your security matters. Our residential locksmith services keep your home safe, secure, and stress-free. Moved into a new place? Our lock Rekey services give you fresh access without changing the entire lock. When security needs an upgrade, our lock change service delivers peace of mind. Our Automotive locksmith services handle lockouts, keys, and more, professionally and carefully. With reliable commercial locksmith services, we help protect what keeps your business running. When time matters most, our emergency locksmith service is ready to help, day or night. For fast, professional locksmith services you can trust, call 207-383-5223 or visit onyxlocksmith.com. Onyx Locksmith, your security, our priority.